What if I told you could cut your fast food spending in half using 5 simple tricks that most people don't know about? I'm not talking about eating less or going to cheaper places, I'm talking about getting the same food for way less money. These are insider tricks that can save you hundreds of dollars a year without changing what you eat. And here's the crazy part, most of the tricks actually get you more food or better deals than ordering normally. Let's dive in. Trick number 1 is the Culver's Kids Meal Hack. Let's start with Culver's and a trick that'll blow your mind. Instead of ordering a regular meal for $9, order a kid's meal for $7. But here's the secret, you're getting almost the same amount of food. The only difference? Your medium fry becomes a small fry, but you also get a free scoop of ice cream, so you're paying $2 less, getting 95% of the same food plus dessert. That's insane value. Now I know what you're thinking, won't I look a little weird ordering a kid's meal? Here's the thing, most fast food workers don't care at all. And if you're ordering through the app, nobody even knows. Plus, you're an adult spending your own money, order whatever you'd like. But it gets better also, kids meals come with tokens that you can collect for free meals and prizes, and if you order through the mobile app, you're earning rewards points on top of that. Don't just do this once, make it your default order every time you go to Culver's. Trick number 2, Panda Express portion splitting. Panda Express has some of the best value in fast food, but here's how to make it even better. Turn one meal into 2 meals. A large portion at Panda Express costs around $10 to $14 depending on what you get. But here's the thing, the portions are absolutely massive. I'm talking almost enough food to feed 2 people easily. You can split one large meal into 2 separate meals, bringing your cost down to $5 to $7 per meal. The beauty of this trick is that you can also choose healthier options. Get steamed rice instead of fried, load up on vegetables, and choose grilled options over orange chicken. You're eating healthier and spending less money. Also, don't forget to use the mobile app to earn free points for more free meals. When you're already getting great value and earning rewards, you're basically gaming the system in your favor. I've seen people get a free meal every month just from their regular Panda Express visits. Which brings us to trick number 3, Domino's gift card strategy. This Domino's trick is next level and requires a little bit of planning, but the savings are incredible. First, take advantage of their regular deals. You can usually get a pizza for about $8 to $10, which is pretty dang good as is, but here's where it gets crazy. You can buy $100 worth of Domino's gift cards for $75 at Sam's Clubs or some Hy-Vees. That's an instant 25% discount on everything you buy. This isn't just a limited time offer as well, it's available year-round at these stores. And since most pizzas can easily be 2 meals, you're looking at $3 to $4 per meal for pizza. That's cheaper than making food at home sometimes. Here's how to maximize the strategy. Buy the discounted gift cards when you see them. Even if you're not planning to order pizza immediately, gift cards don't expire, so you're essentially locking in 25% of savings on all future orders. Add in their rewards points from the app and you're getting free pizzas on top of your already discounted pizzas. The points add up faster than you think. I typically get a free pizza every 4 to 6 orders, which is essentially another 12 to 15% discount. Pro tip, combine this with their carryout deals, which is often better than their delivery deals. You save on delivery fees and get better pizza prices. If you're already saving 25% with the gift cards, why not save even more? This brings us to trick number 4, using the McDonald's mobile app. McDonald's mobile app is basically a cheat code for cheap food, but most people aren't using it to its full potential. The deals on there are insane. We're talking $1 large fries, buy one get one free sandwiches, and discounts you literally can't get anywhere else. The app constantly rotates new deals, so there's always something different to save on, but here's the thing most people don't realize. You can stack these deals strategically. Use a BOGO sandwich deal, add $1 large fries, and you've basically got 2 meals for under $5. The only issue is usually one deal can be made per order, but if you're eating there, you can place 2 separate orders pretty seamlessly. Here's the strategy. Never order at McDonald's without checking the app first. Those deals can cut your bill in half or more. A meal that would normally cost $8 to $10 can easily become $4 to $5 with the right app deal. The point system is just bonus money on top of the deals. Every dollar you spend earns points, and those points turn into free burgers, fries, and drinks. It's like getting paid to eat fast food. But here's the advanced strategy. Pay attention to the deal patterns. McDonald's often runs similar promotions on the same days of the week or times of the month. Once you figure out the pattern, you can plan your visits around the best deals. Also, don't forget about breakfast deals. McDonald's breakfast through the app often has better deals than the regular menu, and breakfast items tend to be a little bit more filling per dollar spent. It's also probably objectively the best breakfast fast food in the entire nation. Which brings us to our final trick, trick number 5, Costco and Sam's Club secret. Here's something most people don't know. you don't need a membership to eat at Sam's Club's food court. And at some Costco locations as well, you can do the same thing, though this is starting to change at some stores. This is huge because their food prices are absolutely ridiculous in a good way. We're talking $1.50 for a hot dog and refillable drink, and that price hasn't changed in decades. $2 for a massive slice of pizza that's bigger than most restaurant slices, and $1 for a churro that's basically the size of your forearm. The portions are enormous. That $1.50 hot dog combo is easily a full meal for most people. You're getting restaurant quality portions at convenience store prices. Look, I'm not going to lie to you, this food is not gourmet and it's honestly pretty bad. But when you need cheap calories or you're feeding a family on a budget, this is unbeatable. Plus, the quality is actually pretty decent for the price point. Even if you do need a membership for your local Costco, the food court savings alone can justify the membership cost. Plus, you get access to all their other bulk savings, gas discounts, and exclusive deals. Look, I'm not saying you should eat fast food every day. That's not great for your health or your wallet in the long run. But if you're going to eat out anyways, you might as well be smart about it. These 5 tricks can easily save you $500 to $1,000 a year without changing much of your eating habits at all. If you want more ways to save money and build real wealth, check out the next video where I break down the 7 rules that wealthy people live by, the fundamental principles that separate the rich from everyone else. I think you'll love it. Check it out. Peace out.